What's up guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change Microsoft Store apps download location in Windows 11. So the first thing that you need to do is to go to settings. So to do that, all we have to do is to go to Windows search bar, and here we're going to search for settings. As you can see, it's right here, so let's open. Then what we want to do is to go to System tab, and here you will scroll down till you see storage. Now we're going to click on storage. Then we're going to scroll down again till we see advanced storage settings. Here we're going to click. Then what we want to click next is to where new content is saved. Let's do that. And here, as you can see, my default download location for new apps, new documents, and so on and so forth are in the first hard disk. So to change it, all you have to do is to click on them, then select the new drive, and then you're going to click on apply. And as you can see, now the new apps that we will download on our PC will be saved in the change drive. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel.